Assalamu alaikum class 8 students. Now today we are moving to week 2 lecture. Today we will be discussing about flowchart examples. We have done flowchart symbols last week. Now we will be moving to next examples in today's video. So we will be looking at flowchart examples today. Next we have to find acceleration of a moving object with given mass and force applied. So when you find out the acceleration, what we have to do, we have to first start, that is your starting terminal start. Then we have our flow line that is shown with an arrow. We have to give an input, mass and force. Now as you can see, the shape of input is different. It is like a parallelogram. Next again we have a flow line and the processing box. अब in the flow chart यहाँ पर processing क्या हो रही है? Acceleration. We have to find out acceleration. So we use the formula force divided by mass. So the processing will be done by the computer and then it will give us output as a print. अब output हमें क्या मिल रहा है? That is acceleration and it will end your flow chart. Next we have find the volume of cube. Up again we have to start and then we will be writing the next terminal line and we have to give some input. So हमें ये पता है कि we have to find out the volume, so we must know one edge of the cube. So we give it one edge, that is input edge, and then volume will always be in a cube. We have to multiply this edge 3 times and then we will get the answer of volume. आपके पास जो edge हमने उसको input दिया, it will multiply it 3 times and it will give us output print volume. अब again input and output के लिए we have different shape और जब हमारे पास output आ गया है तो after that we have to end our flow chart. Up next, this is your activity given in your flowchart. You have to complete this activity in your copies. Question number 1 is draw a flowchart to find area of a rectangle and formula is given. Up area of the rectangle can be find out by length multiplied by breadth. So when we will draw this flowchart, we will start it like this in an oval shape. Next we will be giving input, length and breadth. As you can see, this shape is different. It is for input. Next we have area. Area equals to length multiplied by breadth, and then after this processing we will get output, that is print area. Again you can see the shape of print is different and the shape of processing is different, and after that we will be ending our flowchart again in an oval shape. This is your ending terminal. Now we are moving to question number 2. This is also an activity given in your notes. Draw a flowchart to find perimeter of any shape. अब this can be any shape. We will just use the formula perimeter equals to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. You can use any shape, means it can be a square, a rectangle, a triangle, or it can be some irregular shape, but you will be using this formula of perimeter 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Again look at the flowchart. We are starting it with a start terminal and then we have a flow line, and what we have to give it input, length and breadth. L is for length, B is for breadth, as it is written in the formula length plus breadth. Length and breadth जब हम उसको input में दे देंगे तो it will do the processing. P is for perimeter here. P equals to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth, and this is length and breadth is that we have given it as input. It will use these length and breadth and it will calculate the perimeter. After processing or after calculating, it will print the perimeter, that is our output. And then we have again our terminal line and it is ending at stop, and again look at the shape, it is like oval shape. Now I hope these examples are clear to you. You have to complete this activity in your copies. You can take help from the video and the resource pack already given to you. Draw the flowcharts very neatly and complete your work. Thank you.